be, sir. Any carry-on luggage?
Just him.
Open your mouth again, and I'll nail it shut.
You must fasten your seatbelt, sir.
Thank you. Could I have a blanket and a pillow, please?
Sure. There you go.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're now preparing for departure. If you'll please make sure that all your carry-on luggage is safely stored in the overhead compartments. Make sure your seatbelts are fastened and extinguish all cigarettes. Once we reach our cruising altitude, we're going to be serving our complimentary beverages, and then a little later on our dinner. Shortly after that, we'll be showing our feature film. Your flight attendants are Susan and Lance, and I'm Vicky. We're here to make your trip as comfortable as possible. Thank you and have a safe and enjoyable flight.
Excuse me, how long is the flight?
We land in Valverde in exactly 11 hours.
Thank you. And do me a favor. Don't disturb my friend. He's dead tired.
Yeah, the bird has flown.